Hey everyone, want to keep your Excalidraw projects safe and accessible from anywhere? Saving your designs to iCloud or to cloud storage is a perfect way to do that. Here is how you can easily save your Excalidraw project to your preferred cloud storage service. Let's get started. First, save Excalidraw projects as a file. Click the three dots at the bottom left and go ahead and save to the second option, and you're going to be able to save it as a file. If you want to change the name, of course you can change the name, and you can save it as a file by clicking save to file, right? And then choose your cloud storage provider, right? If you're using Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, in my case I'm using iCloud, pick the service that works best for you. So by clicking save to file right here, I'm going to be able to save it as a file. After clicking download, I'm going to be able to see that this file is saved on my iCloud drive, right? I can see it. Let me go back right here, download. You're going to see that Excalidraw file saved, right? And I can only open it up in Excalidraw as a project, right? And you can upload also to Google Drive, right? And you can just go ahead and hit share, right? If you want to save it as a Google Drive, add it to your Google Drive and then hit upload at the top, and you can save it and get back to it later, okay? And basically that's it, right? You can access and reopen the project from Excalidraw, from the website itself. So that's how you can easily save and access your Excalidraw projects from cloud storage. It's a great way to ensure your designs are safe and always accessible. If you want to know how to access the projects, click the three bars at the bottom left and then click open and then click load from file, choose file, and then you can save the file from the Google Drive, Dropbox, or any type of service that you use, any type of service you use. In my case, I'm using Excalidraw. Hit open, and as easy as that, you're gonna be able to see all of your projects. So don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave this video, and see you in the next one.